Morning everybody. So I've got another grocery haul here for you. So I've already been to Coles, picked up my click and collect at Coles and come home. So I will just jump straight into it. So we'll start over here with the meats. So we've got 2 things of boneless shank lamb. So I want to do these in the slow cooker this week and have slow cooked garlic and herb lamb shanks. Sorry, I just mind blank. It's too early in the morning. And then this one is also diced lamb. So that is for a lamb casserole I'll be doing this week. Diced beef for a beef casserole. I'm just really getting into the slow cooker meals this week, which is really weird because it's coming into summertime. So normally like the slow cooker stuff's, you know, in winter, but for some really weird reason, I'm like really into it this week. So I've got chicken breast fillets there for tonight's dinner. I've got some Latina pasta for dinner this week. Mild salamis for my husband to snack on, yogurt for my son to snack on, thickened cream, tomato paste. These are the recipe bases for my slow cooker meals this week. So I've got red and beef wine casserole, mild chicken curry and lamb casserole. We've got some chicken stock because we're completely out. We've got some diced tomatoes to put in our recipes. Some more minced garlic because we're almost out of that. Some more jelly because myself and my son love the jelly. Got some more batteries because we were completely out of batteries. So I thought I'd do a good stock up because these were half price. So it was good value. So I thought I'd stock up on batteries. Got some of these for my son. We've got some broccoli, what is it? Cauliflower, broccoli, and sugar snap peas with corn. I love them because they're just a really convenient way. We got some frozen beans, some frozen blueberries, a big thing of carrots, because we're doing a lot of cooking with carrots this week. Some more bananas. Some potatoes, mushrooms, pumpkin. We got spray and wipe, multi-purpose cleaner. We got 3 of the morning freshes because they were on special for half price this week. So I thought I would stock up on those. Couscous for a recipe this week. We got some snack packs of chips. Nappies for my son, as he still does wear nappies at night. Like he's fully toilet trained during the day, but he just wears them at night time. Some juice, apple juice and apple and blackcurrant juice. Chocolate milk and 3 litres of normal milk. That's the one. So that is everything for this week's shop. It is a little bit smaller than my normal, but that is okay because we're pretty stocked up on a lot of things. So my total for this week came to $198.99. So thank you so much for watching my little grocery haul today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.